What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today I wanted to showcase this makeup look going into fall, but the main focus was on the eyes. I kind of wanted you guys to see the eyes. Isn't that just the most beautiful color? I used this Fenty Beauty palette here, the Moroccan Spice. I used because I've probably used this like twice since I bought it, and hey, it was not a cheap palette, but I haven't really used it because, like I always say in my video, I really don't go any places, and when I do, I kind of do minimal makeup look, like kind of everyday makeup look. But since it's the beginning of fall, I wanted to just go with the fall trend just in case you're looking for something, and I did this like green eyes with this burgundy lip. The lipstick is from MAC. It's called Giamba City Valley and it is a Eugene, and I've had this for a while. I don't think MAC have this anymore. This was a special edition and I really love these makeup. The consistency is great. I have a lot of different makeup, but my MAC makeups never fail me. And can we just talk about the hair? And I know we're going into fall, but you can do whatever you want to do. Who say you just need dark colors for fall? Who say for fall you just need to be down and depressed? No, you don't. You need to be happy. And kind of one of the reasons is my real hair it's not popping right now, and I didn't feel like doing too much with it, so I just throw on my wig real quick. And what lace? Where's the lace? My wig is sweet. My wig is like real nice and bouncy. And this is how I kind of like my wig, a little fluffy, a little bouncy. I like volume, a little volume. That's how I like my wig. So I do hope you guys enjoy this makeup look. If you want to see how I got this look, even though it's speeded up, you just stay tuned and keep on watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll see this makeup look and this hair in another video, because I'm getting ready to film another video right now, probably 2 more videos. I love you guys. I hope you're having a great weekend. I hope you have a wonderful, blessed week. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.